Picture this, mamas. You are relaxing on a gorgeous white sand beach in Cabo, sipping a top-shelf spicy margarita, completely surrounded by 5-star luxury. But instead of entering total relaxation mode, your eyes are glued to the clock because you have exactly 20 minutes until you need to pump or feed your baby, and your room is a 10-minute walk away. Let's be completely real. Trying to maintain a strict feeding schedule at a massive all-inclusive resort can feel less like a dream vacation and more like a high-stakes military operation. But you do not have to spend your entire trip trapped in a hotel room. Today, we are going to spill the tea on exactly how to hack the all-inclusive experience so you can keep your milk supply up, keep your baby fed, and still live your absolute best, most luxurious life. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate guide to upscale parenting without losing your sanity or your luxury aesthetic. We firmly believe that becoming a mom doesn't mean you stop taking incredible vacations. It just means you need a smarter strategy and some seriously good gear. Grab an iced coffee and let's get into it. Our first major game changer starts before you even check in, and it is all about your room choice. When booking a high-end resort, skip the standard room and upgrade to a suite or a swim-up villa. Having a separate living space means you can pump in total peace with your wearable LV or Willow while your baby naps, without sitting in the dark. Also, call the concierge ahead of time and request a real, medical-grade refrigerator. A standard resort minibar is simply not cold enough to safely store your precious ounces of liquid gold. When you arrive, set up a dedicated sanitizing station using a collapsible travel wash basin right on the marble vanity to keep your high-end pump parts spotless. Next up, let's master the beach setup, because you deserve to soak up the sun. Do not try to wing it. Secure a private cabana first thing in the morning to give you guaranteed shade, privacy, and outlets for your gear. To keep your schedule completely stress-free, your ultimate secret weapon is a high-end travel chiller like the Spacious Chill. You can fill it with ice from the resort bar, and it will keep your milk perfectly cold for 20 hours right by your lounge chair. It slips beautifully into a chic Prada diaper bag, looking incredibly bougie while being completely functional. Finally, you need to hack the resort dining scene. Skip the chaotic buffet lines and utilize the resort's 24-hour room service for breakfast. Eating a high-protein meal in your plush robe while feeding your little one sets a completely relaxed tone for the day. For upscale dinners, make your reservations early, right around 5 or 6 p.m. This aligns beautifully with that evening cluster feeding window, allowing you to head back to the suite before the resort nightlife gets too loud. Navigating a feeding schedule in paradise takes a little prep, but you can absolutely conquer it. If you loved these luxury travel hacks, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite tropical getaway. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.